In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and replace special characters in Microsoft Word. Start by opening the document you want to edit in Word. We'll use Word's built-in Find and Replace tool, which is the fastest way to clean up formatting or swap out hidden characters. Press Ctrl+H on your keyboard to open the Find and Replace dialog. You should see two boxes, Find What and Replace With, along with a few buttons. If the window looks minimal, click the More button to expand the advanced options. This reveals the special button we need. Click once inside the Find What box so your cursor is active there. Now click Special at the bottom and choose the exact character you want Word to search for, such as paragraph mark, tab, or page break. When you pick one, Word inserts a code into the box. For example, a paragraph mark appears as $P. Don't worry about the code itself. It's simply Word's shorthand for that special character. Next, click in the Replace With box. Decide what you want to put in place of the thing you're finding. If you want to swap it for another special character, click Special again and choose it. If you'd rather replace it with regular text or a space, just type that here. Leaving the Replace With box empty tells Word to delete what it finds, which is handy for removing extra paragraph marks or tabs. When you're ready, choose how you want to apply the change. Click Replace to go one match at a time so you can review each change, or click Replace All to update everything in the document at once. Replace All is faster, but use it carefully. If the result isn't what you expected, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try again with a narrower search or a different replacement. A quick tip: if you don't see the special list, make sure the dialog is expanded with the More button and confirm your cursor is in the box you intend to fill before choosing from Special. Also, consider saving a copy of your document before large changes, so you always have a backup. That's it. You've used Find and Replace to target special characters and clean up your Word document quickly and accurately. To recap, open your document, press Ctrl+H, expand with More, pick the right item from Special, set your replacement, and choose Replace or Replace All. Word will remember recent searches, making future cleanups even faster.